Hello friends and welcome to Load of Crock. As I record this, we are entering day 53 of quarantine here in the Load of Crock home, and I've found that there are some side effects of being quarantined for 53 days. The list is long, but the one thing that I didn't see coming was a new addiction of mine to sugar. It's bad. And this sweet tooth has come like out of nowhere, and I'm going to be really honest, it started like day 2. So it's been a long haul with the love for sugar. I mean, I find myself quarantining in the pantry, just searching for sweet or sugary items. And so I thought on day 53, I'm going to embrace the sweet tooth of mine. And so we're going to make brownies in the Crockpot. All right, friends, for those of you that know me, you know that if I'm going to embrace something, I'm going all in. And this sugar addiction and these brownies are not immune from that. Did I get a little bit crazy with the various ingredients? I did. Might it seem over the top? It might. Was it worth it? Absolutely. So come along with me as I put together these quarantine day 53 brownies. For this recipe, you'll need vegetable oil, chocolate pudding mix, butter, chocolate brownie mix, sour cream, eggs, milk, vanilla, and chocolate chips. In a bowl, combine the chocolate brownie mix, the chocolate pudding mix, the chocolate chips, 1 to 2 cups, a cup of milk, I suggest whole, a half a cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of sour cream. If you like your brownies a little more gooey, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and finally a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything up, ensuring that all of the ingredients are mixed really well together. Grab your crock pot, spray the bottom and the sides, and then grab your lovely chocolate mixture, pouring it into the crock pot. If you can avoid what I did, try to keep the chocolate off the side, but if you do what I did, just be sure to wipe it up. Okay, is anybody else sweating after watching that, thinking about eating those brownies? No, it's just me? Just me. Anyway, a few tips. I like my brownies a little gooier, so I use the vegetable oil. If you like them a little more cakey, maybe a little harder, skip the vegetable oil. Also, I did it on low for almost 7 hours, and then I turned it off and just let it sit. I tried some after it sat for about an hour. They were warm and lovely, but then I took the crock out and I put tinfoil over it, almost as if it were a pan out of the oven. So that's what I did, and the next day they were still equally as gooey and lovely. So just a few tips there from managing my sugar addiction. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our frontline and essential workers. We continue to be so grateful for everything you're doing day in and day out, and we could not be more appreciative. So thank you for everything you're doing during this very uncertain time across the U.S. and the world. We are so incredibly grateful for everything. Now, for those of you that may have found yourselves quarantining in your pantry, looking for something sweet, go ahead. Come on out and try these quarantine day 53, how I'm embracing my sugar addiction brownies.